Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these pattern pumpkin nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. The first color we're going to start out with is Light Elegance's Alato Gelato. This is one of my hands down favorite background shades from Light Elegance. I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my ring finger and my thumb. And I realized I haven't used my Light Elegance in a while, so we are going to do an all Light Elegance manicure today. So the next color we're going to use is Light Elegance Graceful Gazelle. This is like a burnt orangey red shade. And I'm going to paint this on the pinky and the middle finger. Next, we're going to use Light Elegance's Rock My World. This is from this year's fall release. This is a beautiful olive green shade. I'm going to put this on my pointer finger. We're going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. Next, we're going in with Light Elegance's Cinnamon. This is one of my favorite fall glitters from them. It's a beautiful coppery brown orange type of a glitter. So I'm going to paint this on my pinky. Now we're going to go in with some plaid because, of course, once fall hits, I feel like all I do is plaid for my nails. That's all I want on my nails. So we're going to use the same colors we did on the other nails. We're going to do the Rock My World. We're going to do one line going down, one line going across. Then we're going to go back to the red shade. I'm going to do a long line on the other side and a line going across. And I'm just going to start layering these lines. I'm going to go back in with the green and we're going to create a dashed line going across next to one of the red lines. And finally, we're going to take that glitter shade Cinnamon. We're going to create a line going down right next to the green one, and then a line going right in between the red solid line and the dashed green line. Next, we're going to do some stamping. This plate is from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is number 220. This is their Patterned Pumpkins plate. I got this last year and I wasn't able to use it. And then for stamping polishes, I have 3 of them. I have number 2, which is their white. I have this metallic brown, which is number 56. And then this green one, which is number 38. So for the patterned pumpkin, I am going to do the plaid pattern, but I love this plate because there's all kinds of different pumpkins and different designs you can do with them. I really wish I had used this plate a little bit more this year, so next year I will definitely be pulling this out, doing some different designs, but we're going to stick with the plaid pumpkin. So I'm going to stamp the base down in white, and then I'm going to do the brown plaid and then the green accents. And I do have to say this plate was super easy to use. You just pick and choose which pattern you want and just layer it right on top. Now it's time for top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how my nails came out. They are perfect fall shades, all Light Elegance. They're all beautiful colors that I haven't got to use very much. Besides a lot of gelato, I use that one all the time. But I really liked how this came out. The plaid pumpkin kind of goes with the plaid that I designed. So this is showing you how you can do hand painted along with the stamping and kind of combine it into one design. I feel like these nails are perfect for Thanksgiving with the deeper tones and the pumpkins. This is just perfect Thanksgiving nails. You guys will have to let me know what you're wearing on your nails for Thanksgiving. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!